The night was soft and quiet over the hills of Jerusalem. Stars shimmered like tiny lanterns in the sky, and a gentle wind whispered through the palace windows. But inside the royal chambers, sleep would not come. A king sat alone in the dim glow of a single lamp. His crown rested beside him, untouched. His harp leaned silently against the wall. This was King David, a warrior, a poet, a shepherd chosen by God, the man who once faced giants without fear, now trembling before his own heart, because sometimes the loudest battles are the ones inside us. David remembered the days when his songs were full of joy, when he danced before God with gratitude, when peace filled his soul like morning light. But lately, shadows followed him. He had made choices he wished he could undo, words he wished he had never spoken, paths he wished he had never walked, and guilt, heavy and silent, stayed with him. So he slipped quietly from his bed, knelt beside the window and looked up at the stars. "Lord," he whispered, his voice barely louder than the wind, "I have lost my peace." He did not ask for riches. He did not ask for victory in battle. He did not ask for honor. He asked for something deeper. The words rose slowly from his heart, words that would one day be written in Psalm 51. "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." A clean heart, not just forgiveness for a moment, but a heart made new. David knew that no river could wash away guilt, no crown could hide a wounded soul, no song could silence regret. Only God could make a heart clean again. The night breeze grew softer and the room felt warm with quiet peace. David closed his eyes. He remembered being a shepherd boy under these same stars and playing his harp while sheep rested around him. Back then, his heart was simple, trusting, free. "Lord," he whispered again, "bring me back to that joy." And God listened, because God always listens to a humble prayer. Slowly, gently, peace began to settle over him. Not loud, not dramatic, just calm. Like a blanket on a cold night, David felt hope rising inside his chest. He understood something beautiful. God was not only the one who gave him victories, God was the one who restored him when he fell. The one who cleans what we cannot, the one who heals what we hide, the one who renews what we think is broken forever. Tears fell down David's face, but this time, they were tears of relief, because mercy was stronger than his mistakes. The lamp flickered softly, the palace grew still, and David's breathing slowed. Outside, the first light of dawn touched the hills. A new morning. David stood, not perfect in him, but forgiven, not proud, but peaceful. He picked up his harp and played again, a gentle melody of gratitude. Because when God renews your heart, you can sing again. And tonight, as you rest, remember David's prayer. If your heart feels heavy, if regrets whisper in the dark, if peace seems far away, speak softly to God. "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." Because the same God who heard David still listens to you. And when God renews your spirit, sleep returns, peace returns, hope returns. So close your eyes now, breathe slowly, and rest in His mercy. Your story is not over. With God, every night of regret can become a morning of grace. Sleep peacefully, for His love watches over you. Subscribe for more